YouTube, Fix Pick and Lock. Gonna have a look at some locks today. Excuse me. Right, these locks over the back here, all in the style of 1100s, and not one of them's 1100. This green one and this green one I got at the beginning of the week. They was for £11. These three here and this one are CPOX, which are obviously copies, and this one is a Squire. These two don't count. This is from Albert. That's a genuine lock, and I can't pronounce that. It's a bird walker. I'll give up on that one. But these ones here are all copies. So I ordered some more because they were cheap from Amazon. Bear with me a minute. Right, so these two green ones was £11, and these two gold ones was £11.58. So that's 58p more, but they look nice. Oh, my hands don't work. I'll just do the one at the moment. As you can see, there's no markings on them at all. That's the key. This one and that are keyed alike. The two green ones that I pointed out, they're keyed alike, but I think they're keyed differently. Have a look. Yep. So 2 for £11.58 and 2 for £11. I thought it was a nice little bargain there. Now the reason I'm on here is that I'm collecting removable cores, and basically I want some genuine ones. So if anyone wants to do some swaps, some trades or whatever, if you want to pick or I don't know, whatever, I'm interested in some cores, removable cores, so that I can change these things. Or if you know you've got 1100 that you don't want and you want to pass it on for something else, I'm up for that. But I thought I'd let you know, these are from Amazon, and I thought they were a bloody good deal. So it was a quickie just before Christmas. I wasn't going to do a video, but I thought I've got to put some content out. So thanks for watching me, and yeah, I'm still here, and in the new year I'm going to try and get stuck into it all. I've recovered over my ailments, not 90%, a bit less than that, but I'm good. So I wish everyone happy holidays, and I'll catch you on the next one.